Hello friend, today we are going to discuss iFrame. What is iFrame? How we use iFrame in our HTML page? Let's start. First of all, let's see the definition. HTML iframe is used to display nested web page, a web page within a web page. The iframe tag define an inline frame, hence it is also called as inline frame. An HTML iframe embeds another document within the current HTML document in the rectangular region. Now let's see what does it means. What it's going to try to tell us. Okay. First says nested web page, which means nested means we are going to use a page. For example, this is our page. Okay, maybe my writing is, or if we want another page which we create but we are showing in this portion, then we use iframe and provide the path of the frame that the path of the page that we are using in our first page. Okay, or we can create many iframe pages in our one web page. It means we are going to create as many iframe as we want, or we can also want it to pop up like for example, you see in some pages this type of pop-up is appeared and ask for a subscription and ask or shows an ad that we are use iframe. Okay, this is a application of iframe, and this is in the rectangular form, or we can manipulate with the help of CSS that we discuss in another video. Okay, now let's see how we do this. Okay, that's now I already created some iframe for your clarification, because most of the pages or most of the sites not allowed to embed their website in our HTML page. That's why I found someone. This is HTML example.com. It's a free, and you can, whenever you wanted to use any web page, you can use go for example.com. Okay, now see how it's look like. Okay, I refresh this, and here you can see document content goes here, and here you can see this is our page with another example.com. I see show you what is example.com. You can type example.com, and this is similar like which is shown in our HTML page. After showing you example, here we specify the width. It means the width in how many, in which proportion our height and width are defined. Here we provide 555. You can change. If I change with 700, okay, and here I use 300. Now you can see our frame is changed a little bit, much bigger than the previous. Okay, now you can see this is a, maybe if we define this height and width, then it's perfectly fit in our iframe. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, please like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe if you are new. Bye bye.